So good morning. We're here in Cagayan de Oro, last day of our property site verifications. We're driving along Corrales Avenue. We stayed dyan sa ano to, no? Because sobrang mura. Sobrang mura. Urban Pro. Very good yung rating, no? Affordable naman siya. So I nag-promo sila, so I paid 1,000 pesos. Balik ko rin yung kotse. So I'm just maximizing yung time muna na ikot tayo. Okay. Dito pa rin yung mga tricycle, no? Transition yung Cagayan de Oro. This is Seda, no? Seda Hotel. We are driving along Corrales Avenue, major na kalsada. This one, ito sa right side, no? I think maabutan tayo ng traffic here. Somewhere there, ikot tayo. Okay, ano ba itong medical center? Northern Mindanao, no? Medical center. This is Ayala pala to. This is Ayala. Okay. Okay. Turn right pa dito. Gaisano Mall. Pinipilit na maglinis, no? So this is Gaisano Mall. Okay. Dami din mga beggars.